proof is a series of logical steps which show a result is true for all specified numbers. Generally, algebra will be used to show the left-hand side, LHS, is equivalent to the right-hand side, RHS. To show that a proof is true, you can either write RHS is equivalent to LHS or QED, which means what was to be shown in Latin. This is called a mathematical identity. Now let's look at an example of a proof to get a better understanding. Consider two consecutive positive integers, k and k plus 1. Show that the difference of their squares is equal to the sum of the two integers. So let's write it out. K plus 1 squared minus k squared is equal to k squared plus 2k plus 1 minus k squared. So now we can prove this by using algebra. So we'll solve the right hand side. So that's equal to 2k plus 1, since these k squared minus k squared. And then we have the sum of k and k1, which is k plus bracket k plus 1. So therefore, RHS is equivalent to LHS.
Please like and subscribe, please.